In part 2 of my presentation on algebraic expression, I am going to show more worked examples. My work examples are taken from the Singapore Mathematics textbook 6A, the US edition. Jeff had $50. He gave Y dollars to his son. The remainder was then shared equally between his two daughters. A. Express each daughter's share in terms of Y. We note that the amount of money shared between two daughters is equals to 50 minus Y. This is because he gave Y dollars to his son. He is left with 50 minus Y dollars to be shared between his two daughters equally. Each daughter's share is equal to 50 minus Y divided by 2. And this is the answer to part A. It is the algebraic expression representing each daughter's share. Part B. If Y is equals to 12, how much money did each daughter receive? Whenever we see Y in this expression, we replace Y with 12. Now the amount of money each daughter receives is equals to 50 minus 12 divided by 2. Instead of 50 minus Y divided by 2, Y is now 12. And my answer is 19. Each daughter receives $19 if Y is equals to 12. Let's move on to our next example. Here we have a question. Find the value of 4n plus 3 divided by 5 when n is equals to 8. This example is different from the previous one because this is not a word problem. This simply wants us to find the value of an expression 4n plus 3 divided by 5. Whenever we see n, we substitute it with 8. So that 4n plus 3 divided by 5 is equals to 4 times 8 plus 3 divided by 5. And this is equals to 4 times 8 is 32. We copy back plus 3 divided by 5. Then our next step is 32 plus 3 is equals to 35 on the numerator, and we copy back the denominator 5. 35 divided by 5 is equals to 7. This is not very hard to see, right? Because you can see that 35 divided by 5 is 7. But I did some working. Sometimes it's not so obvious. We take the numerator 35 and we divide it by 5. And then we divide the denominator also by 5. We need to divide it by the same number so that the top and the bottom balances. And 35 divided by 5 is equals to 7, and 5 divided by 5 is equals to 1, so that my answer is equals to 1. Some of you have been taught how to cancel. So if you want to strike out 35, you put a 7 there. You strike out 5, you put a 1. It's actually the same thing. I'm only trying to explain in this working column what this striking out means, right? It simply means dividing 5 on the numerator to give 7 and dividing 5 on the denominator to give 1. Find the value of 45 minus 3r divided by 3 when r is equals to 5. So whenever we see r here, we're going to replace r with 5. So that this expression becomes 45 minus 3 times 5 divided by 3. 3r is 3 times 5 because r is equals to 5. Now my next sentence, my next equal is I need to simplify the 3 times 5 first. Perform the multiplication first because multiplication has priority over addition and subtraction when they are on the same level. So if you look at the numerator, there are two operations. It's subtraction and multiplication. Between the two, you take 3 times 5 first. So do not take 45 minus 3 first. Take 3 times 5 first, and you copy back the 45 minus. Copy back 45 minus and put the 15 here, because 3 times 5 is 15, and you divide by 3. 45 minus 15 is equals to 30. 30 divided by 3, and this is equals to 10. Now in this kind of example, we do not have 10 apples or 10 oranges, because these are not word problems, so your answer is just 10. This is the end of my presentation for part 2. Thank you for watching.